This is normal. This is painted. What the fuck? This lady is bad condition. She's not working. Inside of her has corrosion. Look at this. Look at that. Even the bottom part here too. So this video is going to be restoring lady. Now let's start taking her apart. Alright, so here are all the corrosion parts that need to be cleaned up. Her chassis, yeah, need to be cleaned up. Her switch, her motor here. Before we clean up, I'm gonna see if it works or not. Her chassis here, it's fine, and the others were okay, and even the screw. So I'm just gonna clean them up. Naked. Now gonna clean up the motor. Now let it dry. So now I'm going to be printing some stickers for Lady. So yeah. Also a big shout out to King of Suddery and Douglas at Stan for this lovely Lady stickers that they sent to me. Thank you so much for both of you. Thank you. Okay, so I actually have printed out. These I cannot. Stupid printer cannot like. But this one's a bit okay. But I think I'm going to use this one because I cannot betray my friend like that, of course. And I'm going to use the cat windows here too. So yeah. Now let's get working on. Well, there he is. You guys can't probably see it, but that's okay. Yeah. It's the least I can do until I can get some new stickers. But overall, it's a good work.